Good morning and welcome. Thank you for joining us for a special announcement here this morning. We officially kick off Age-Friendly Columbus, a new collaborative planning effort focused on some of our most important Columbus residents, those 50 and older. Yes, these are our parents, our grandparents, uncles and aunts. They are business owners, community volunteers, parents, teachers, and generally very busy, active people in our community. And if you have any doubts, let me introduce you to Fran Ryan. This new planning effort started with the city's acceptance into the prestigious network of age-friendly communities. Columbus applied and was accepted to join the age-friendly network of both the World Health Organization and AARP. This is quite an accomplishment. We have a lot of work ahead of us to meet the age-friendly communities guidelines, but this is Columbus, and we're up to the task. As an age-friendly city, Columbus joins a network of 287 communities around the world, striving to make their cities accessible and inclusive of our most seasoned citizens. We are excited about this opportunity, and here in the state of Ohio, only Columbus and Cleveland have been accepted to the Age-Friendly Communities Network. This isn't just important to our past and our present, but to our future. I just read the other day that over the next 15 years, 16,000 Americans will retire every day. So you think about our future in this great city and our country, and it makes this distinction and work that much more important. Age-Friendly Columbus is a citywide initiative to ensure that individuals of all ages can remain in their neighborhoods and live a high quality of life independently. The strength of our neighborhoods depends on the strength of our residents and their engagement at all ages. 2 years ago, we began the Infant Mortality Task Force, and today I am thrilled to announce our dedication to the other end of the age spectrum. Our older adults are a valued, important part of who Columbus is today and who we will become tomorrow. Together, these powerful projects and the many residents and professionals involved are truly making Columbus a great city for all ages. I would like to thank Columbus Council Member Michael Stenziano for agreeing to chair the Age-Friendly Columbus Project and Fran Ryan to serve as the project's co-chair. Thank you for spearheading the Advisory Council, which brings a variety of voices to the table to help lead the first age-friendly Columbus plan. It takes a variety of resources to create a meaningful action plan that will bring about real results. So I'd like to recognize the major financial supporter of Age-Friendly Columbus, the Osteopathic Heritage Foundation, whose contribution made it possible for us to launch this effort. Let's give them a round of applause. A special thank you to AARP Director Tamara James, and thank you to MORPC Executive Director William Murdoch and to MORPC for providing the technical planning support to this effort. And thank you to the many other generous funders of this effort. I would like to now invite Councilmember Stenziano to share a few words.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. On behalf of my colleagues on council, President Zach Klein, President Pro Tem Priscilla Tyson, council members Elizabeth Brown, Mitch Brown, Shannon Harden, and Jiza Page, I want to welcome you all to Chambers today. The work of Age-Friendly Columbus is going to be a comprehensive, community-oriented approach that reaches across the public and private sector. My experience in working with age-friendly initiatives has taught me to listen to residents and constituents, and there's a powerful message from our older residents. They love our city, they love their neighborhoods, and they love their homes. They want an engaged, vibrant community and are ready to work for it. We learned about the aging agencies in Columbus and the impressive services they provide in the 2014 Kirwan Institute Franklin County Senior Study. The report interviewed aging leaders, and this effort will build on those findings in the Age-Friendly Columbus initiative by involving older adults. The project will go forward and be planned with older adults, not for them. We hear their voices and are ready to utilize their experiences and wisdom as a powerful resource. We invite any older adults to be part of the Age-Friendly Columbus initiative. We want to hear from you, and we want you to be on our committees and forming our decisions throughout the next 2-year process. Over those 2 years, this project will take ideas from our residents and community leaders on changes to make our city a leader in age friendliness that need to be made at the neighborhood level. This will be accomplished through a citywide assessment and develop of a strategic plan over the 2-year period and ultimately be implemented by Columbus and our partners. Drawing on the current strength of our aging organizations, settlement houses, villages, residents, and beyond, we will continue to help our neighborhoods and residents thrive at all ages. Like Mayor Ginther, I want to thank the project partners and funders. Some additional key partners include the Central Ohio Area Agency on Aging, Franklin County Office on Aging, the Columbus Foundation, National Church Residents, and AARP Ohio. I also want to recognize in the audience today other advisory committee members that are with us. Tony Carroll with the Franklin County Office on Aging, Cindy Farson, Central Ohio Area Agency on Aging, Bill Owens with the Clintonville Beachwald Community Resource Center, Doug Tyak with AARP Ohio, and Holly DeBelko Shoney with Ohio State's College of Social Work. If we could give them all a hand for stepping up. And as Mayor Ginther pointed out, we couldn't ask for a better vice chair for this effort. Fran Ryan is a longtime, passionate advocate for issues impacting our Columbus older adults. I would like to invite my co-chair, Fran Ryan, one of Columbus's and City Hall's senior advocate, to say a few words.
Thank you, Councilmember Stenziano. And yes, I have one of the best jobs in Columbus, in the mayor's office, because I can spend all the time with seniors. And since I am one, I can speak as one. I'm chairing, right now, I'm chairing the Senior Services Roundtable, and which now has over 1,000 members. And we started 7 years ago. So I'm very excited. And I'm very excited that the mayor has asked me to have a seat at the table, because I think that's so important for our issue. To spearheading the annual Senior Festival, we have worked to bring light to the needs of older adults in Columbus and let them have some fun. From housing and transportation to the employment and inclusion, Age-Friendly Columbus will work toward developing a plan to improve the lives of older adults. And the best part of these improvements is across structures and services will inevitably help people of all ages. What's good for the young is good for us. Columbus is being accepted into the Age-Friendly Community Network by AARP and the World Health Organization. It's a very proud moment for our wonderful city. We'll be joining some impressive communities and efforts like Washington, D.C., New York City, and Portland, Oregon. I want to thank the many organizations and individuals, particularly Cindy Farson and Tony Carroll, who have really adopted me and the program. I also want to thank MORPC, who will lead the technical planning and initiative. And I, at this time, would like to invite Mr. Wayne Murdoch, our Executive Director of MORPC, to discuss in more detail about the effort. Thank you all for being a part of our great program. Thank you.
Well, good morning, and thank you, Fran, and especially for your longtime dedication to public service and energy for making Columbus such a great community for all people of all ages. Congratulations to Mayor Ginther and Councilmember Stenziano and all members of City Council for City of Columbus being named to this age-friendly community network. It's a big deal. What an honor for the City of Columbus to have such a designation and to have such energy behind these efforts. And I have to say that MORPC is proud to be assisting with this effort to help create the first age-friendly plan. You know, we learned from our Insight 2050 study that Central Ohio's population is going to grow by 500,000 people over the next 30 years. And what we've also learned is that much of this growth will be in the population of people 65 years and older. It's going to double. And Insight 2050 also revealed that growth will look different and that older adults have different needs and different wants and are looking for different things in their communities. More older adults today are looking for walkable communities, a different style of home, different types of housing, smaller, mixed use. These changes will have a huge impact on our whole community, on our needs for housing and transportation and employment. This is an amazing opportunity for the City of Columbus and for all of Central Ohio to plan and ensure that this is a livable community for all ages. So a little bit about the initiative. The initiative is a 2-year initiative, and that first year is really focused on that citywide assessment that's going to include surveys and conversations with Columbus residents and more. The second year, we're going to take those results and move into strategic planning based just on those assessments. We're really thrilled, not just because we have 2 of the best chairs of this effort, but also because we've hired Katie White as our age-friendly community coordinator, who's going to serve as our project staff lead over the next 2 years. And I have to tell you that MORPC is just thrilled to be working with the City of Columbus, leaders from around the region to work together on this project. The age-friendly plan is going to be written in such a way that it's going to include specific strategies focused on this place in 8 different service areas: outdoor spaces and buildings, transportation, housing, safety and emergency preparation, social participation, respect and inclusion, civic participation and employment, communication and information, and community support and health services. As you can see, this is going to be a very comprehensive plan to identify all those opportunities and challenges for our older adults. And at MORPC, we're hoping this serves as a great model for the whole Central Ohio region. So as our fellow speakers have said, you can't do an important project like this alone. MORPC, too, would like to recognize the support for age-friendly Columbus from the Osteopathic Heritage Foundation. Your contribution is the reason we're here today and the reason we can tackle such a great project. The support of the Central Ohio Area Central Ohio Area Agency on Aging, sorry, Cindy, Franklin County Office on Aging, the Columbus Foundation, AARP Ohio, and National Church Residences. All of us together are so excited for their support. Can we give all our funders a round of applause? And finally, as Councilmember Stinziano stated, we need you. We are inviting you to be a part of this age-friendly Columbus. We're looking for partners. We're looking for participation on committees and as part of the assessment. If you'd like to be involved, please just contact us at MORPC and we can connect you to the Age-Friendly Columbus Initiative. And so with that, I'd like now to introduce one of our key supporters and our partners, AARP State Director Tamara James.
Thank you, Mayor Ginther, Councilman Stinziano, Director Murdoch, and Advocate Ryan. We are proud to welcome the City of Columbus to the AARP and World Health Organization network of age-friendly communities. We want to thank Mayor Ginther and his administration for their vision of an age-friendly Columbus. We know that through the mayor's leadership and the leadership of Councilman Stinziano, Vice Chair Ryan, and Director Murdoch's team at MORPC, the Age-Friendly Columbus Initiative will have great success. Since its inception 10 years ago, 287 communities from 33 countries have enrolled in the World Health Organization Global Network, which means that 113 million people worldwide reside in a designated age-friendly community. In 2012, AARP became the exclusive affiliate of the WHO in the United States. Since that time, 77 communities in 28 states and the District of Columbia have entered into the AARP WHO network, which means that 41 million Americans now live in a designated AARP age-friendly community. This group continues to grow as new cities recognize the opportunities and join the network. The AARP network includes a great variety of cities from which Columbus can share and learn from, such as Philadelphia, Austin and Boston, San Francisco, Lansing, and Denver, just to name a few. With AARP as a national partner and with AARP staff supporting these cities, we have tremendous access to unique information that will advance the work being done here in Columbus. In 2010, people aged 65 and over represented 13% of the U.S. population. By 2030, that number will reach 20%, or 72 million people. The AARP Network of Age-Friendly Communities program encourages states, cities, towns, and rural areas to prepare for the rapid aging of the U.S. population by paying attention to factors that influence the health and well-being of older adults. By doing so, communities are improved for residents of all ages, whether it's parents with strollers, children on bicycles, adults using public transportation, people with disabilities, and grandparents with their grandchildren. AARP Ohio is excited about the opportunities presented to the City of Columbus through membership in the network of age-friendly communities. We are proud to be a partner and member of the Age-Friendly Columbus Advisory Council, and we look forward to playing a dedicated role in the initiative over the next 2 years and then following that as well. I'd now like to return the microphone to Mayor Ginther for concluding remarks.
Thanks. So how exciting is this? Because we know that great cities happen based on great neighborhoods. And what does it take to have a great neighborhood? It takes socioeconomic diversity and a place where folks from all walks of life feel welcome and safe and part of the community. And so this is another important step for us to lift up neighborhoods in our city and make sure that folks from all walks of life feel welcome. We're going to be open and smart. That means to everybody. And this is an exciting day as we declare our commitment as a city to become age-friendly and join the ranks of other great American cities. This initiative will play a major role in how we move forward in addressing the needs of our older adults. So I ask that you become involved and lend your experiences and expertise to this worthy initiative. Williams Group at MORPC, under the leadership of these two great chairs, cannot do this alone. We need the community engaged and involved in this effort to make sure that we realize our full potential as America's opportunity city for all. Thank you all for joining us here today.